Here I have Nothing Phone 1, and today I'm going to show you how to record videos in slow motion on this device. So firstly you have to open camera and then switch to the slow-mo mode, just like this. So now let's record something. Just as usual, I'm gonna roll a toilet paper. Now let's check it out. So as you can see, like, this toilet paper rolls like so extremely slow, just like in your favorite action Hollywood movies. Extremely cool, unbelievable, just stunning. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.